everyone, Chef Yoda the dog here. I'm coming to you for our Monday meal recipe. We're coming a little late tonight. My mom recorded this a while ago, but she just didn't get a chance to post it yet until now. So sorry about that, but this week's Monday meal is pork fried rice. And she's going to put a link to the recipe on here. It's from All Recipes Dinner Spinner app, of course. But she used, instead of chopped up pork chops like it called for in the recipe, she used some bacon that is jowl bacon from Aaron Family Farms, which is here locally. And so it was really good. I mean, it was like bacon instead of pork chops, so you could only imagine. But it tasted a lot better, so she highly recommends trying that as a substitute. Anyway, so you'll see how she did it in the video. It's really easy. She liked it. She made it all in one pot. They called for using a whole bunch of different ones, but Mom doesn't like to do that. She doesn't like to have to clean up that many pots after cooking. So she just put it all in one, and you'll just see how she did it on the video. And she's allergic to eggs, but she has her Just Egg substitute, and it worked just as well as a real egg. So you'll see that as well. All right, well, you guys have a great week. Chef Yoda the dog out.
Yes, as Yoda said, we are using our friends Aaron Family Farms, who does pork processing here in the area. We are using a pound of their jowl bacon meat in this pork fried recipe that I got from All Recipes Dinner Spinner app. So instead of the chopped up pork chops that it said to use, we're using jowl bacon. Yummy, yummy. So I chopped up a pound of that. I've tripled this recipe, just so you know, from what I'm going to link here. So then I've got some chopped up broccoli that I steamed in the microwave from Walmart, just a bag of that. And then I don't have any carrots because they're high in oxalates, and I don't have any peas because I just don't like them that much. So it's up to you if you want to put that stuff in there. Then some white rice that I got from Walmart. It says a cup of cold rice. I did 3 cups and I cooked it. So it is instant white rice because white rice, wild rice, and black rice are low in oxalates, but brown is high. So just so you know. This is white rice. And then I did 2 tablespoons of chopped chives instead of green onion. It called for 1 egg. I did 3, and I used my Just Vegan egg since I'm allergic to eggs. 3 tablespoons equals 1 egg. So I did 9 tablespoons because I did 3 eggs. Then it called for a tablespoon and a half of, and this is after you cook the pork and the broccoli and the green onion and stuff together, and a couple of tablespoons of butter. Then you cook the egg, and I just did it all in one pot. I didn't take it out and put it back in. So I just scrambled the egg right in the center. I made a hole. So I did that. Then you add the rice in. Then you do the seasoning. So we're doing coconut aminos instead of soy sauce because I'm allergic to soy. So it was 1.5 tablespoons of soy sauce. I ended up doing 4.5 tablespoons of coconut aminos. So I finished this bottle off. And then I used some of my garlic sauce coconut aminos as well. And then garlic powder, you're supposed to use 1/8 of a teaspoon. I tripled that, and I ended up doing like 1/2 teaspoon. And then I also seasoned, and of course the garlic sauce is in there as well. But I seasoned the rice with a tablespoon butter per cup of rice, and then a teaspoon of salt per cup of rice. And then I also used chicken stock as one of the cups instead of water. So 2 cups of water, 1 cup of chicken stock. That seasoned it really well. And then you do 1/8 of a teaspoon of ground ginger. I did about 1/2 teaspoon. So that is what is in here. So easy. Stir it together, let it warm up. Make sure your pork is about 165 degrees. Actually, this is more like 140, but it's done. So just make sure it's cooked, and that is it. So easy. It smells and tastes delicious. I'm sure Yoda wants to try some of the bacon. So talk to you later. Give it a try.